How to see chats with someone who blocked you on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to view chats with someone who has blocked you on his Snapchat. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Snapchat on your phone. And once you have opened the Snapchat, simply open the chat section. And here you can check if the person name still appears in your chat list. You can also search for the username in your friend list, and if they don't appear, they have likely blocked you. And when someone blocks you on Snapchat, your chat history with them is removed from your chats. However, Snapchat stores your chat history in your account data, which means you can still retrieve it. To recover your chat history, you simply need to follow the steps. So simply tap on your profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen, and it will redirect you to the settings page. And once you are in the settings page, simply scroll down and tap on My Data. Now the Snapchat will ask for verification, so follow the steps to confirm your identity. And after that, in the data request section, select the type of information that you want. If you only need chat history, only choose that option. And once you're done with that, simply tap on Next. Now, in the next page, select the date range for the chats you want to recover. For example, the past month until the past year. And once you're done selecting the time, you can simply click on Submit and Snapchat will process your request. And once your request is processed, Snapchat will send you an email with a download link. Open the email and download your data, and after that, you will be able to view your saved chat history. And that's all there is to it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.